address right now.
Okay, great. Yeah, delegates, are there any motions on the floor?
Chair, sorry to disturb you. I just want to ask something, a question.
To
Like
whom?
if we have any questions, and so can we send like and the chits are not allowed, so how we will just ask the question to the delegates?
Well, you have to wait for them to send you a point of information, or you can address it in your speech if you want, and then we can ask them if they want to reply. Also, if you have anything like, you know how you interrupted me right now, you say point of personal privilege or point of parliamentary inquiry. And if you want to correct someone or correct someone's fact, you state point of order. If I do something wrong in the procedure, so you say point of order. If you want to ask anything like for yourself, then you say point of personal privilege. Okay, so no more excuse me. Thank you. Are there any motions on the floor, delegates? Delegate of France.
So the delegate of France would like to raise a moderate caucus on the topic discussing female rights, emphasizing upon the problem of domestic violence, with each speaker's time being 60 seconds and total time being 10 minutes.
Okay, are there any other motions on the floor? Delegate of Finland.
Am I audible, just to confirm?
Yes, delegate.
Thank you, Chair, for your recognition. The delegate of Finland would like to raise a motion to establish. No, the delegate of Finland wishes to raise a motion to change the default speaker's time for general speakers list from 60 seconds to 90 seconds.
It is already 90 seconds, delegate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on the moderated caucus chair. So if you agree, please write a yes. We need 2/3 votes for this motion to pass. So that'll be 17 votes. And as France raised on motion, France, you cannot vote. Delegates against, you need to write, don't write your name, just write yes or no.
Shivandi, I think they should raise their hand.
But I don't think I can see everyone's screen at the same time, and a lot of people haven't.
I can see.
Okay, cool. Delegates who wish to raise your hands, please raise your hand. To like who want to pass the motion.
Excuse me, Chair.
Ignored. Because you're supposed to say point of personal privilege. Yes,
Yeah,
delegate.
point of personal privilege. Can you please repeat the motion?
Delegate of France, can you repeat your moderate caucus?
So the delegate of France would like to raise a moderate caucus on the topic discussing female rights, emphasizing upon the problem of domestic violence, with each speaker time being 60 seconds and total time being 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you, delegate.
Seeing no majority, this motion clearly fails. We will now revert back to the GSL. Here. Great. Delegate of Poland, you now have the floor for 90 seconds.
Thank you, Chair, for the recognition. Good morning, respected Executive Board and my fellow delegates. The delegate is honored to be a part of the debate and aims to find worthy solutions to the issue. Poland has come a long way when we mention about the domestic violence, sexual violence, rape, cyberbullying, stalking, etc. Poland has one of the lowest rape cases reported rape cases around the globe, but it allows speculations that women don't report the crime. New provisions aim to reduce the traumatization of the process have also been implemented. Poland has been successfully amplifying policies and working towards domestic violence, bringing them into the mainstream, creating a better. About more than 83.3% of legal frameworks that promote, enforce, or monitor gender equality with a focus on violence against women are already in place. New provisions also aim to reduce the gender pay gap, which is the pay that women and men, the difference in the pay that women and men get for the same work, and increase the involvement of women in decision making. It also ensures healthy work environments for women. National programs are also initiated to educate the masses and make Poland a better place. Wrapping up, I hope for a fruitful debate today to reach consensus on common welfare. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate. Okay, I'll recognize some more people. People who wish to add the name to the GSL, Tajikistan.
Am I supposed to speak?
No, your name has been added. You've been recognized. Russia, followed by UK, followed by China. That's all for now. Okay. Delegate of Norway, now you have the floor for 90 seconds.
Thank you, EB, for your recognition. Honorable Chair and fellow delegates, the delegation of Norway realizes the concern and threat against rape and physical abuse. According to a survey by UN globally, an estimated 736 million women, almost 1 in 3, have been subjected to intimate partner violence, non-partner sexual violence, or other at least once in their life. The first against sexual violence in conflict is a priority for Norway. Norway adopts a firm position on combating sexual violence. We seek all opportunities to contribute to prevention and response and see a clear need to strengthen humanitarian and human rights responses to the issue of conflict related sexual violence. Sexual violence can destroy not only the victim but entire families and communities, the very social fabric of a society for generations. Far too often, perpetrators are not brought to justice and victims as survivors live on with both physical and psychological pain, and therefore the delegate looks forward to discuss effective solutions regarding this.
Thank you, delegate. Delegate, you have 15 seconds left. Where would you like to yield your time? Delegate, where would you like to yield your time? Delegate of Norway. Okay. Moving forward, delegate of Netherlands.
Yeah. Am I audible and visible?
Just a second. Tajikistan, you raising your hand. Is there something you want to ask?
Oh no, it was by mistake.
All right. Yeah, yes, Netherlands, you were audible before. You now have the floor for 90 seconds.
Okay, thank you, Chair. Netherlands feels that the issue of the rape culture is important to many countries all around the world. As such, Netherlands is also greatly affected. Rape culture, it might sound like just another way to talk about high-profile rape scandals, sexual assaults, or some accusations. But those crimes aren't rape culture, they're products of it. Rape culture is not just about sexual violence itself, but about cultural norms and institutions that protect rapists, promote impunity, shame victims, and demand that women make unreasonable sacrifices to avoid sexual assault. rape, and sexual harassment are things that are not exclusive to women. It is that the attitude society has towards women of how we treat victims of these horrific crimes in general as though they were standing trial for their character. This attitude does seem to be exclusive for women. Can you imagine the victim of a theft having to defend the fact that he or she had visible signs of wealth in their house or in their person? That by having a nice car, you were asking for it to be stolen. So tell me, what kind of invisibility cloak do female victims of sexual assault have to put on in order to prevent people from holding them personally responsible for being attacked? The country of Netherlands believes in spreading awareness and speaking out against root causes. Given the situation, the delegate of Netherlands would like to engage with other member nations to build consensus on this issue and defeat the menace of rape culture. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate. Next, we have delegate of Germany.
Greetings to the EB and the fellow delegates. Violence against women and girls is a fundamental violation of human rights, which stretches across nations, cultures, and classes. Currently, the International Human Rights Framework and jurisprudence recognize rape as a human right violation and a manifestation of gender-based violence against women and girls that could amount to torture. Under international humanitarian law and international criminal law, rape can constitute a war crime, a crime against humanity, or a constitutive act with respect to genocide when other elements of the crimes are present. Compared to other EU member states, Germany's performance in achieving gender equality is mediocre. Germany has achieved some progress in gender equality, mainly in the area of employment. European legislation has acted the main driver for legal improvements in equal treatment and anti-discrimination. The Federal Equality Law, which came into force in 2001, aims at implementing gender equality in federal public administration, federal courts, and federal administration institutions under private law. On Thursday, the German parliament unanimously passed a no mean no law that expands the definition of rape to any form of non-consensual contact. With this, I would like to pause my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate. You have 20 seconds remaining. Where would you like to yield your time?
Yield to the chair.
All right. Nobody want to ask the delegate of Germany a question?
No, I don't want to ask.
Okay, delegate, I have a question. So you mentioned in your speech that you have been taking a lot of precautions and you have been achieving a lot of gender equality. What about workplaces? Are men and female, like in your country, do you think they pay the same amount of money and same working rights?
EB, can you please repeat your question again?
Are men and female given the same salary and treatment in the workforce?
Yes, the men and female are given the same salary.
And have they been given the same treatment?
Yes.
What are the laws?
The laws that if the men, the German parliament says that if the man touches a girl, it is not correct and he should be punished.
Okay, thank you, delegate.
Okay.
Ethiopia, you now have the floor for 90 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. Ingrained and entrenched in the social fabric, rape culture as a dark cloud today prevails across the world. The culture does not only entails normalizing and justifying sexual violence, along with it makes space for victim blaming, slut shaming, and amounts for any reason at all that accuses a woman of enjoying being held hostage, raped, and tortured. Countries across the world have been tackling this menace in their own capabilities, and yet a part of their culture that dehumanizes women stands intact. Ethiopia, a landlocked country in the Horn of Africa, already worn and torn amidst immense poverty, constant civil wars, weak infrastructure, and limited resources, serves no exception to this and has been bearing the brunt of societal attitudes towards sexuality. Ethiopian government strongly condemns sexual exploitation of women and is in the process of increasing its national legislations to defeat the same. Article 620 of Ethiopian Criminal Code already prohibits rape and lays down imprisonment for such an offense. Ethiopia is also a state party to human rights instruments that clearly condemn violence against women. Article 35 of its constitution provides for women's equal right to men that extends up to having the choice when to have sexual intercourse. There's a dire need to seek a sense of urgency on the part of international resolutions that can include rape shield laws, criminalization of marital rape, and a revision in appropriateness of punishments. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate. Delegate of Tajikistan, you now have the floor for 90 seconds.
Greetings to everyone. I'm Delegate.
You're
Tajikistan
on
has
mute.
an.
Okay, can you start
Can
again?
I start again? Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
do that. Greetings to everyone. I'm the delegate of Tajikistan. Tajikistan has an average rape rate of 0.6 amongst 10,000 people. This statistics is based from 2003 to 2020. All the rape cases are less in Tajikistan, but domestic violence cases are very high in Tajikistan. In a survey of 400 people, 98% men and 78% women felt that domestic violence is necessary in women to keep the family together. Though in the recent years, the Tajikistani government has formulated laws to bring down domestic violence cases, but most of these domestic violence cases include a rape in Tajikistan and brutal beating. The Tajikistani government, unfortunately, has to meet the demands of both the orthodox Islamic philosophers and the feminists. The government has issued a national hotline, set up refugee centers, formulated laws which now no more identify domestic violence as private family matter, and has set up a punishment for 20 years for committing a rape. But still, a lot needs to be done, and people need to be educated for what is rape culture and how to end it. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate. Delegate, you have 20 seconds left. Where would you like to use your time?
I would like to yield my time to the chair.
Okay. Delegate, as you mentioned, people still need to be educated about the rape culture. So what strategy is Tajikistan going to follow to educate the people or to make them more aware?
Tajikistan is like planning to return back to the 12-year schooling pattern, and like in that we'll be focusing extensively on civics and human rights. And also Tajikistan will be performing like street skits, speeches, and getting this rape culture ending idea to the public by newspapers and radio.
All right. Thank you, Delegate.
Thank you, Chair.
All right. Before we move forward, are there any motions on the floor? I cannot see everyone, so you can just text on the group.
Germany. I'll recognize them. Germany.
The delegate of Germany would like to raise a motion to suspend the formal debate and move into a moderated caucus on topic being terminating domestic violence and sexual assault for the individual time being 1 minute and total time being 15 minutes.
You have to tell the time in seconds, not in minute.
Okay. For the can I repeat the motion again?
Yes,
Yes,
Delegate.
yes, yeah.
The delegate of Germany would like to raise a motion to suspend the formal debate and move into a moderated caucus on the topic terminating domestic violence and sexual assault for the individual time being 60 seconds and total time being 15 minutes.
Okay, Delegate. Are there any other motions on the floor?
Brazil.
The delegate of Brazil would like to suspend the formal debate and move into a moderated caucus on the topic victim blaming, with individual speakers' time being 60 seconds and the total time being 15 minutes.
Okay. We'll take one more motion. Are there any motions on the floor?
France.
The delegate of France would like to raise a moderate caucus on the topic media's role in normalizing assault, with each speaker's time being 60 seconds and total time being 10 minutes.
Okay. Just sorry, Germany, how long was your 15 minutes? And how long was the second motion? Brazil, how long was your motion?
15 minutes.
What?
Nothing. So we'll vote on delegate of France first, as the time is the shortest, followed by delegate of Germany, followed by delegate of Brazil. As mentioned before, we need 2/3 of the majority to pass it. Please raise your hand if you agree and you want to pass the motion for the delegate of France. Seeing no majority, this motion fails. Next, we vote upon the delegate of Germany's motion. Delegates in favor, please raise your hand.
Point of personal privilege.
Yes.
What was the motion passed by the delegate of Germany?
Delegate of Germany, can you repeat your motion?
Yes, terminating domestic violence and sexual assault.
Seeing no majority, this motion clearly fails. Lastly, we vote upon delegate of Brazil's motion. Delegates in favor, please raise your hand.
Point of personal privilege. Can the delegate repeat the motion?
The motion was about eliminating victim blame, or talking about victim blame. Discussing victim blame, to be specific. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
10. But you all need 17 for the motion to pass.
Okay. Seeing no majority, this motion also fails. Now, delegates, we have 13 minutes until the first session ends. Either I will give you the rest of the time, which is 12 minutes in an unmod, where you can discuss what you want to do. And in the next session, I at least want 3 moderated caucus. So please discuss among yourselves so that you're going to pass it or not. For the rest of the conference, which is 12 minutes now, you guys are in an unmod. The EB will not be there. Please discuss what you want to do, but I will close the meeting from 4:30, like my time 4:30, with whatever time it is for you. And in the next session, we want 3 moderated caucus. Otherwise, I don't know where this committee is heading. Thank you. Delegates, now you're in an unmod caucus for 12 minutes.
Delegates, I just want to ask that we have already discussed about terminating and victim blaming one topic. So why did you guys failed it?
Yes, yeah, right.
And like,
Also think that
Okay, guys, one by one we can speak. Just raise your hand and I will acknowledge you and we can speak like that.
Does everyone vote in favor of terminating sexual harassment and domestic violence?
I think so. You should, because we have discussed that 2 to 3 days ago.
It is one of the main topics. We should take
but I was feeling that topic should be something like we discuss later, because that will be relating to the solution. So
Delegate, just a second. We should discuss this because tomorrow Pakistan believes that we will not have that much of time. And for tomorrow, we should raise a motion for solution and followed by the DR. So I think we should
about
take
the problems.
Yeah, just a second, Yudhana. We should take the main topics today. Like all the 3, victim blaming one, the terminating, and third one you all can decide.
Do you
Let's
want?
do victim blaming and terminating domestic violence and cyberbullying and cyber harassment.
I think discussing on increasing cyber harassment.
Yeah,
Sure.
cyber
Slut
harassment is
shaming,
very
slut shaming is also an important topic which should be
Delegate
raised.
Philippines would like to raise a
moderated caucus. Please, guys, speak one by one.
Let us first take sexual harassment and domestic violence one. Then we
Can
can
we
move
just
to
do an informal voting, like who wants the first
Yeah,
topic
yeah,
to
sure.
go, like that?
Yes, it's right. We can do voting.
We can raise hands for
Like,
Yeah,
so
so
for
everyone who wants the domestic violence, the
sexual
domestic
harassment
violence wala
maybe.
topic can raise their hands. Okay.
Delegate, can you repeat what you said as I could not hear you?
The
Sexual
topic
harassment.
domestic violence and sexual harassment. If you want that topic, that mod topic to pass, then please raise your hand.
It's only 12.
And I don't think it's important to speak in the mod cock, so just raise your hand to let the motion pass, so we can have something to do it. Like we are not doing GSLs all the time.
So most of us agree to this.
Can you repeat the topic again, please?
The topic
Domestic
is
violence.
terminating domestic violence and sexual harassment, and everyone who wants the topic to pass can raise their hands. It's not important to speak in the mod caucus, so if it doesn't matter if you don't speak, just let the motion pass so we have something to do. All right.
So delegates, what we have decided, the terminating one, and second, which we have decided, victim blaming can be
Yeah, basically,
Blaming.
cyber harassment is better, I guess.
The delegate of Philippines would like to raise a
Now come
topic.
to the third topic.
we could keep that as
Which topic?
the
Just a second, delegates. Ritika, yeah, what you were speaking.
The delegate of Philippines would like to raise a topic for impact of rape culture on mental health. It is one of the important topics which we should
Delegate, I
discuss.
just want, I just want to point out, I think so this is a topic that we should not discuss right now. There are other topics that are, and mental health is basically, UNHRC don't do that much, WHO can do. So I think so mental health should not be discussed. If we have time, we can take that topic, but for today, terminating one, second,
Cyber
victim blaming.
harassment.
Yes, I agree with the
Delegate of Germany.
the delegate of Pakistan.
I also agree with that topic.
One
Okay,
second. Delegate of Pakistan, can you please send the finalized like more topics that you discussed in that lobbying session, because it's like really up. I don't know.
Delegate, the delegate of
should
Pakistan
dis-
we should take cyber harassment, because that is something it's
Yes,
going on.
Yes, we should take that.
Now we should
Delegate of China, I agree with We can your also take on marital rape.
Delegates,
let's
just a
vote
second.
for cyber harassment first.
Let's do cyber harassment.
cyber
And
harassment.
then dominating this one.
Okay.
Terminating domestic violence and
Delegate.
sexual harassment is same as terminating sexual harassment and domestic violence.
Okay, go. Just a
Do
second,
one
delegate,
thing,
please
everyone
one
just
by
put
one.
your hands down and raise them again who wants to speak. Those who don't want to speak, just put
Yeah, I
them
will
down.
acknowledge. Yeah. So France, you would like to speak, then Uganda.
Yes, I do have a topic for moderated caucus, that is paparazzi and universal Me Too movement. I think this is a really important topic because there's a big role of media and like promote culture, because there are a few like CNN and this news channel, like they have you will see news reports
Just a second,
that
Heather.
promote the rape culture.
You're
So
not
I guess-
audible.
Okay, okay, delegates, let me repeat what she wants to speak. She wants a topic of media. The basically, am I right, France, about media, because it
Yes.
have a
Yes,
rape
and
culture.
plus like Me Too movement also, like we can have this together. no?
Okay, yeah, Me
Yes.
Too movement. So can we make the third topic of the cyber harassment one into some adding media to it? Can we do
The
that?
delegate of Pakistan,
Like if
just tell
Yeah.
me, did you decide these things in the lobbying session or not? Like you decided three
Okay,
topics, if I'm not
we
wrong.
have
Can we
decided
stick to
two.
them? Yeah, can we
Yes,
stick
we
to
should
them?
stick to those topics.
Other than
Actually,
like
Should
taking
stick
up
to
new
those
topics.
topics, not add different
Okay,
topics.
We can take
delegates
the
in our
session
committee.
if possible.
Okay,
Also,
Actually,
delegates,
Delegates, speak
can
one by
I
one.
speak?
Do not make
Can
it
I
yourself.
speak?
Yeah.
Please speak
Yeah,
one by
so
one.
basically what I want to say, Nadilan, just a second, Rajasthan, Khan, you can speak after me. So basically what I want to say that in a MUN, we have pre-decided topic, but many things change at the last moment. So we don't have to stick to that. I'm just making the change in the third topic, and that you can prepare in your break time. The third
So
one in
that
which
third topic, just
think
do
we
one
should
thing.
stick-
That third topic, take that third topic after the break. Let's start with the first topic, which I'm positive that most of us are prepared.
let
right?
me repeat what all topics we have decided. I have written them. Firstly, about the terminating domestic violence. So you can add marital rape to it if you want, because it's a part of it. We don't need another moderate for that. Second is victim blaming. It's something very important.
Yes.
And third, about impact of cyber harassment. Plus, we can add media to it. Okay, that we will take in last. Okay,
We can do voting for these three
I will
topics.
send on the group. Delegates, you don't need to worry. I will send these three
Okay,
topics on the group.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So can we just raise the motion for one for each topic? First, the terminating domestic violence and sexual assault. Everyone who agrees.
most of the delegates agree.
The
Raise
delegate.
hand.
And you have time to prepare if you haven't, because you can use
Yes,
this break
we
time.
have time to prepare.
Okay.
45
Second,
minutes.
See, if you're
yeah,
not prepared,
everyone
it's not
lower
a
your
big deal.
hand.
It's like it's not compulsory to speak in the modcock, right?
It like if they want to, they can prepare. I'm just telling the preference. Okay.
We have
now
more than
everyone-
one modcocks. Like just let it pass so that we have something to do other than the
Yes.
GSL.
what anyone want to speak, and he or she, I don't know, if they want to talk.
Delegate, it's a request that please raise your hand.
Yeah. Everyone, can you lower down your hand? Then we can take on the victim blaming one.
Delegates, I have a request that please raise your hand during when the EB is asking for moderated caucus, as you are raising it now, but you might not raise when EB asks. So please raise it then.
Yeah. And we all have to work together in last. Now for victim blaming, everyone who agrees.
Can we raise our flags as mine is, my Zoom is glitching?
Yeah, sure, Maldives, I will recognize you.
Can we support two topics?
You can support as many topics as you want.
My question is, why are you all raising your hands right now? And when the EB was asking, there were only like hardly 5 hands.
Because I think that they have some issues. It happens. It's not a big deal. They have some like they have
This
some
topic
Yes,
was
right.
literally what we discussed, and it failed.
exactly.
And I
So
guess they were confused that they might have to speak that.
just
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
sending the
completely fine.
topics on the group. You all can see to it. Just a sec.
Third topic.
About the moderate topics.
This motion is still not complete. We just have a 14 majority, not 17.
No, I also want to.
My vote is also count if I haven't raised, because I'm writing on the group.
And also I think many people might have some internet
France,
issues.
why you are
now
not
it's more
voting?
than 17.
And plus, okay, delegates who are not voting, can they just tell the reason? Like why they are not voting?
Is it necessary to add the media and the third topic?
If
So
you
people
guys
you want to
want,
speak.
Different cyber harassment and then impact of media, it will all get mixed up.
Yes.
So
Yes, so we should, I
Yeah,
think,
completely two different topics.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
should
one.
just take cyber harassment.
Okay,
Yes, we
delegates,
should
I have delegates. Yeah, France, you want this topic now. So what you can do that you can speak that in your GSL. Because what we don't discuss in that's why we have, you can speak one more time in the GSL. Okay,
And-
like if you,
But
because
I
there
guess
are
this
so
is
many
really
topics that we don't have many more. Yeah, France.
Actually, the problem is this is a really this is the really important topic, and I wasn't there for the previous sessions because I am in a boarding, so I'm just allowed to use my laptop for just this
Yeah,
MUN
so
timings only.
yeah, delegate,
So
totally understandable. So you can add this topic in your GSL, and if we have time tomorrow, we can have this topic also. If everyone agree and just having a
Yes.
study.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
have
I do
tomorrow.
agree on
Do it
this.
tomorrow because today I think nobody has prepared on this topic.
Yes.
okay, sure.
See, I
Sure,
think so.
sure.
We all have
Also-
read about this because it's the main. Yeah.
So
you
I
can-
think the delegate of France should raise the hand tomorrow for the topic.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure. Okay.
There's no need, like if you don't want to
We
do it
should
tomorrow,
just
you want to do
consider
it today,
cyber
then do it
harassment for
after the
today.
break. We'll have the
Yeah,
time
just
of the
guys,
break to
we have
prepare.
one by one
because it's getting messed.
Delegates,
So the first,
delegates.
So it's only cyber
No, I
harassment, right?
can just wait for a second. Yeah, I just observed you guys, and also listen. You'll get marked on your performance in Unmarked Caucus also. The first thing I want to tell you is don't let any one person dominate you. Put your positions, express your position, and try to influence other countries. And don't let one country lead other countries, because the foreign policy is different for every other country. This is what I know. And also, you're not marked on the previous sessions, so don't worry about that. And discuss now what is important, like what is really you want to discuss, because tomorrow your both two of the sessions will be for working paper. So decide accordingly how many topics you want to wrap up in this 2 sessions. Okay, thank you. You guys can carry on.
I also thought that like we could add we could decide to like maybe 1 or 2 more mod caucuses other than these 3, because we might not get another unmoderated caucus in the future. So like if we'll have them pre-decided, it will be a little better.
Yes.
I totally agree with
It's
the
absolutely
delegate.
right.
One topic
Delegates, we can have a topic on victim blaming and slut shaming today.
Yeah,
Yes,
slut
I
shaming
think
is an
blaming
important
topic is
topic
right.
and it should be discussed.
have a topic on
Delegate of Pakistan,
You're not audible.
Sorry.
yeah, please write in the chat box.
Like we've discussed 3 topics, so like,
Slut
have
shaming
another
should
topic
also be
for
a part of
moderated
this.
caucus.
I think the impact on of mental health should also be a part of this.
we could do sluts.
Relevant for you and HRC.